Jatiya Sahitya Prakashan Trust in memory of Nazrul Nagatihalli Ramesh was presented with the Qazi Nazrul Smriti International Award 2025. Kolkata, August 4, DKS Times. The fourth phase of the organization's program was organized on the initiative of the Jatiya Sahitya Prakashan Trust in the auditorium of the Ramakrishna Mission Swami Vivekananda's Ancestral Home and Cultural Center. Many dignitaries participated in this program, mainly organized to mark the 125th birth anniversary of poet Qazi Nazrul Islam. Among these, former Governor and Chief Justice Shyamal Kumar Sen and Swami Mahaprajnanandaji Maharaj, Principal of Belur Math Ramakrishna Mission Vidya Mandir, were special guests. On this occasion, Padma Shri Award-winning author Surya Hazarika, Speaker Devashish Bose, Satynath Mukhopadhyay, prominent author Manoj Kumar Vyas, Mrinalkanti Pandit, Professor Muhammad Ali Khan Chaudhary Manak from Bangladesh, prominent poet and editor Jahangir Habibullah, freedom fighter and journalist Manna Rehan etc. were honored. On the same day, internationally renowned poet and social worker Nagatihalli Ramesh was presented with the Qazi Nazrul Smriti International Award 2025. This award carries 1 lakh taka. Additionally, several poetry recitations and songs were presented by famous artists in memory of Nazrul. The entire program was directed by the organization's founder Secretary Shaktaime Das.
তুমি দুহের ঝংকার উন্নতশীল তরুণ প্রাণীর কেউ হার নামানা ধুন্দবী
On behalf of the entire organizing team, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all present here. Your presence adds grace and gratitude to this auspicious occasion.
Program. In this August gathering, on the dais and in the audience, in the month of August 2025, we are extremely pleased to present with you a very eminent person who is adept in connecting people. Connecting people is a simple word, but how he implements it is a thing to be seen if not followed. With this motto, he has connected elaborately with people in almost all the states of India and around 100 countries of the world. And more so, people at all levels of social strata and political stature. He is Sri Nagatihalli Ramesh from Karnataka. He is beyond a poet. He is a philosophical thinker who connects closely with nature. He is more than a lyricist. His love for music has made him an ardent beneficiary of the street musicians to professionals. He is an harmonist, but more, he is an agriculturist, a farmer's son of the soil. He is not just a playwright. He lives in practice what he preaches. He is said to be a filmmaker, but his real life goes larger than his real life. He lives beyond his sense of journalism only to encourage young journalists to their heels. He is also a politician only to criticize the wrongdoings and appreciate the good deeds of his fellow politicians in the same breath. He is a social activist, but his services go beyond giving just doles, but making people stand on their own feet. Here is Sri Nagatihalli Ramesh. We feel honored to honor a truly universal soul and a deep-hearted person in Sri Ramesh. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you to put your hands together as we felicitate Sri Ramesh with Qazi Nazrul Memorial International Prashasti 2025.
grain of salt. ಕೂಡೋಣ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ ಬಾಳೋಣ ಬೆಳಗೋಣ संग मिलेंगे संग रचेंगे संग जिएंगे संग खिलेंगे. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's shine together. In this function, Bhakti Purvak Pranam to Swami Mahaganamurti ji and Padma Shri Dr. Surya Hazarika ji. Actually, I am very much connected with Bharat Ratna Bhupena Hazarika because of musical my passion. Anyway, his cousin I got it. Sri Deshvashi Basu, Sri Indranand Pandit ji, Veer Murtuja Mannare ji, Bangladesh में आया था, असम में आया था, उड़ीसा में आया था. Never give justice to my farmers. I don't know why. At least basic minimum, basic price they never fixed it. भारत का आत्मबल है, बैकबोन है, किसान है. उसका जिंदगी बर्बाद होते हैं, मटाश होते हैं, भारत प्रकाश कैसे होते हैं? कब किसान का जिंदगी अच्छी होते वो दिन प्रकाशमान होते भारत. इसलिए तो आई एम गोइंग टू डेडिकेट माय दिस अवार्ड टू फर्स्ट किसान परिवार ने एंड देन द पौर कार्मिका सफाई कर्मका दे आर गोइंग टू क्लीन आउट डर्टी. दे आर स्वच्छता भगवान से दे आर अनटचेबल एंड for the depressed, suppressed people, I am going to dedicate this. And third one, the people who are humbling for love, care, concern, affection. For that moment, we have to, what I am saying, if I say thankful, it is little. What can I say? There will be interconnected. You ask anybody from past 6 months, I am totally interconnected with West Bengal. I am very much inspired, but today what I am saying, now Kaveri Mata, Ganga Mata एक ही हैं. We have seen, when I came here 25 years ago, the bluish Ganga. Now we turned it to garbage Ganga. It's not the way. We have to respect Ganga Mata. We have to respect Kaveri Mata. We are interconnected. We are sister concerns, mother concern. So all the things what I am saying, we are what I am saying this time. Especially for all university or academy, they are nothing waste for me. They are every day they are brain shining. No, like Ramakrishna Paramahansa ji, Vivekananda ji, Mahasadatta ji, Arvind Joshi, like this in this place. कब हृदय प्रकाशमान होते हैं, पूरा जीव संकुल अच्छी होते हैं. बुद्धि प्रकाशमान ज़्यादा होते, जिंदगी खलास होते हैं. We are too much clever is very dangerous to the society. We have to shine our heart. So हृदय प्रकाश लेके मैं सबको पूछता हूँ. मेरे लिए रमण महर्षि जी हैं, अरविंद घोष जी हैं, रामकृष्ण परमहंस जी हैं, विवेकानंद जी हैं, शारदा माता जी हैं. तो पुण्यात्मा परम ज्योति जीव ज्योति इसके लिए ये उसका जन्म भूमि है ना, वो इसका बर्थ प्लेस है ना, ये प्रशस्ति मेरे को मिल गया. मेरे धन्य है. वो जीव ज्योति है, विश्वात्मा है, सबको है, काजी निष्ठा ने इसने मेरे को दिया ना. मैं सबको प्रणाम करता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक इवन माय कन्नड़ा लैंग्वेज एंड हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी एंड कनेक्टेड. दिव्य ज्योति है, मूर्ति है ना, Ramakrishna, Sharadha Devi, Vivekananda, philosophically and spiritually in my heart, especially in the birthplace of ancestral property. I am going to receive this award now. Jeevan Dhanyavad. See, Sarpendra Unkalupakam. Don't say it's a plant, say put a grain of salt. कूड़ोना कट्टोना बाड़ोना बेळगोना संग मिलेंगे संग रचेंगे संग जिएंगे संग खिलेंगे. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's shine together. In this function, मेरा भक्ति पूर्वक प्रणाम to Swami Mahagrahanmurthy ji and Padma Shri Dr. Surya Hazarika ji. Actually, I am very much connected with Bharat Ratna Bhupena Hazarika because of musical, my passion. Anyway, his cousin, I got it. Sri Deshkoshi Basu, Sri Mrinal Pandit ji, बीर मुर्तुजा मन्ना जी बांग्लादेश में आया था, असम में आया था, उड़ीसा में आया था. मैं सबको रेस्पेक्ट करता हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड थैंकफुल टू द मैन ऑफ स्पिरिट, हिज रोल मॉडल. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल एवरीबडी, शक्ति मोहि दास is a role model to us. First of all, I am respectful because of ethics and principles. I loved it, I respect it. In the age of 81 years, working like 18 years. So, in the same aspect, I am very thankful and grateful to he is my second mother, Siddhartha Mukhopadhyay. And a lot of my friends are there, sisters and brothers. पानी में मछली रो रहे थे, कौन देख दिया? पानी में मछली रो रहे थे, कौन देख दिया? नदी देख दिया, कड़ल देख दिया, परमहंस देख दिया, शारदा देवी देख दिया, विवेकानंदा देख दिया, अरविंद घोष देख दिया, रमण महर्षि देख दिया. ये स्पिरिचुअली क्या है वो मालूम होते हैं. इसलिए तो we have seen the tears of underwater fish. We have to be like that in this path. We have to search it. No, we'll get it. The flying birds never built their nest at the sky. The flying birds never built nest at the sky. See, West Bengal is very much inspiration for us, both philosophically, spiritually and freedom movement. त्याग से बलिदान से हमको स्वातंत्र मिलेगा, but we never understand the meaning of freedom, स्वातंत्र, because their sweetcha is something will happen, whatever. We have to respect old generation people, then only, because what I am saying. Actually, I'm going to, today I am when I am studying third standard, I am stumbled. Bikla, it's not, I never talk to easily and all. Once I am playing in the playground, one person, my tongue is, you can check it, it's almost my mother suddenly, she carried to the veterinary doctor and stitched it. This guy, after that, he participated 150 debate competition, he got all 150 first place. So Delhi Doordarshan, they made me one documentary in 1987. And after that, sometimes I fed up with this system and all, I tried 2 times suicide. Once I lay down in the railway track, but in India, there will be no punctuality of a train, will come, no 3 hours delayed. I went to watch another one movie, Rajkumar, and why I have to die? So, if anyone critique railway department, I am very angry with them. Because of delay, I survived. Thank you. What I am asking, everything is now, we have to respect everyone, this freedom movement, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Rabindranath Tagore ji, like Bankim Chatterjee ji, in Kannada, Kuvempu ji, Dara Bendre ji, or Shoram Karan, like that, so many things we have. We have to do a lot of things. We have to, first of all, Qazi Nasrullah Islam, actually, I written on poetry. If the president give permission, first I am going to read it in my Matrubhasha. Because everything is, we combine Matrubhasha only. And then one of my friend is great musician and associate editor of ಡೆಕನಾಡ್ is translated into English. ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಮರ ಕವಿಯ ಕಾವ್ಯಚರಿ, ಆಗಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳೆವ ಚಂದ್ರ, ಸೂರ್ಯನು ಬರುವ ಹಾದಿಗೆ ಚಂದ್ರ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯಾದಂತೆ, ಅತ್ತ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೇಳು ಹೊರಟ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಆಡಿದ ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಪ್ರವಾದಿಯ ನುಡಿಗಳು. ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಕುರಾನ್ನ ಹೃದಯ ಸರೋವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದರು ಕಾಜಿ ನಸ್ರುಲ್ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ, ಮೇಲೆದ್ದರು ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳ ಬೀಸುವ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ. ಕವಿತೆ, ನಾಟಕ, ಕಲೆ